Hello friends and welcome to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today I am going to show you a recipe of chocolate cake which is very soft, spongy, moist, tasty and so easy to make. So why waiting? Let's make our today's recipe chocolate cake. Since we are making a cake in a gas and not in an oven, we have to maintain the temperature of the pan. For that, preheat the pan for 10 minutes on a low flame. Keep one plate on pan so that when we place our mold, it will not directly touch to the hot surface of the pan and hence the base will not burn. Cover the pan with a lid. Now for making a batter, in a bowl take half cup of sugar powder followed by half cup of milk which must be at room temperature. 1/4 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, chocolate essence half teaspoon. You can use vanilla essence as well. Now give it nice mix. Now it's time to add dry ingredient. Before that, place a sieve on a bowl and add 1 cup maida followed by 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder followed by 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now sieve the dry ingredient nicely. Here our dry and wet ingredients are ready. Now mix it by cut and fold method only as shown. Do not mix the batter roughly. And now the batter is ready. Grease the baking tray or mold with oil and add a butter paper at the bottom. I am using here a non-stick mold, so I haven't used the butter paper. Or if you don't have butter paper, then simply grease the base with oil and dust some maida on it so that after baking, cake will come out nicely and cleanly from the base. Now pour the batter evenly in a mold and tap it for 2 to 3 times to remove the excess air present in the batter. Now keep the mold in a preheated pan, cover it and cook for 40 to 45 minutes on a low flame. The process of mixing the batter, molding and placing it in a preheated pan should be done very fastly. Now it's time to make a chocolate ganache. For that, take half cup or dark chocolate, cut it into pieces and add into the bowl. We have to melt the chocolate in a double boiler. For that, take another bowl half filled with boiling water and place the bowl with the chocolate over that. Now make sure there should not be any direct contact in between hot water and chocolate bowl. Chocolate should melt by the steam of hot water only, otherwise the flavor may change. Now our chocolate melts nicely and it becomes a pouring consistency. Now at this stage, remove the bowl from the double boiler, add 1 cup of fresh cream which should be at the room temperature. Mix well and with the help of blender, blend it continuously for 5 to 6 minutes. You can also use hand blender for this. I am going to add a chocolate essence half teaspoon and again blend it. Do not overbeat the ganache. Creamy shiny chocolatey ganache is ready. Now refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Till then we will grate the chocolate which we will fill in between the layers. Now it's been 40 minutes and it's time to check our cake. Prick the toothpick at the center of the cake and remove it and it comes out cleanly. That means cake is cooked perfectly. And if the batter sticks to the toothpick, it means we have to cook it again for 5 to 10 minutes and check it again. Now rest the cake till it completely cool down, otherwise cake will not demold properly. Now after cooling, it's time to demold the cake. With the help of knife, free the edges as shown and then demold it. Have you seen the texture of the cake from the base? The mesh form shows that the cake is cooked perfectly. Now to make the layers, cut the cake into 2 pieces horizontally. For that, I have made a small slit with the help of knife from one side, and with the help of thread I am cutting the cake into 2 pieces. Now apply 4 to 5 teaspoons of sugar syrup, which is made by dissolving 3 teaspoons of sugar into 4 tablespoons of water to make it moist. After that, apply a chocolate ganache and spread it evenly. Now spread the grated chocolate. Now keep another layer on it. Remove the puff central part of the cake to make it flat. Again add 3 to 4 teaspoons of sugar syrup, followed by chocolate ganache. Now cover the whole cake with the ganache, even from the sides also. Add a grated chocolate all over. This is the frosting. The recipe will be shown in the next video. Now from the remaining ganache, add half teaspoon of chocolate essence. It will give darker color and flavor. Now pour it from edges and center to get a dropping effect. And lastly, spread the grated chocolate. And now the most important part is to refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours at least. And here we go. Our soft, creamy, moist, tasty, healthy, fluffy chocolate cake with ganache is ready to serve. So give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to Prajwalita's Kitchen and my other channel Prajwalita's Kitchen Hindi. Enjoy!